morning or afternoon? I'm not sure. Hello everyone. I'm so excited because I'm doing a live stream on Facebook and Instagram today. So I'm not sure. I think on Facebook you could look 24 hours later. Hi, how are you? So let's see how this works out, trying to do live stream on 2 channels. But I wanted to jump on and just talk to you guys about a simple way that you can kind of, how are you? Okay, so why is Facebook trying to reconnect? Okay, give me 1 second. Let me maybe move the iPad and see if that will help for the connection. The one time that I'm excited that I can do live stream on 2 channels at one time. Okay, well, it's not working, so I'll just post it on the replay. But thank you for joining me. Welcome to the Not a Skinfood Live. Today I kind of want to talk about trying to figure out what's going on with your skin. Because here at the farmer's market, I get a lot of people that come in and don't know why their skin is causing them issues. And I like to give a few simple things that you can do to kind of figure out what is going on with your skin and why your skin is acting up. So one of the customers that came in today, she didn't understand. She pretty much gave up on her skin, and she said, I gave up on my skin. I don't know what to do anymore. I've tried everything and nothing is working. So my first suggestion to her is for the next 90 days to journal her skin journey. And that's why I have this whole thing about my skin food journey. And I call it skin food journey because all of us want to have healthier, glowy, beautiful skin. And in order to do that, it's a journey. It's not something that you can put on your face and 1, 2, 3, your face changes. And even if you do put something on your face and your face changes quickly, if you stop using it, your face starts acting up. Or if you don't get to the root of the issue, then your face is going to continue to act up. You could drop hundreds of dollars on products, but if you don't get to the root of your problem, you won't be able to solve your skin issues and be happy the way you would like to be happy regarding your skin. So when she came in this morning and she said she gave up on her skin, I suggested to her, first thing I want her to do for the next 90 days, journal her skin. And what does that mean? It's very simple. A lot of people journal their money, they journal their weight, they journal just every day trying to get things off their mind. With the skin, this is how you journal. You just simply write how your day was. Was your day stressful? Was your day chill? Was your day laid back? Are you on your cycle? What you kind of ate for the day? So you could write something simple as I had a healthy meal for today, or I ate poorly today. And your water intake. I drank such and such amount of water, or I didn't drink enough water. And those 4 questions that you can write answers for over the course of 90 days, that right there will give you a pattern of why your skin is acting up. So let's say, for instance, you have skin issues and the trigger is stress, and you don't realize that your trigger is stress. You're using expensive products, you've gone to the most expensive facialist, and they've done all this stuff to your skin, and you're still having problems. It can be as simple as your stress. So let's say you go for a week, your skin is giving you no problems, and then the next week your skin is acting up and you don't know why. But if you're journaling and you're writing down what's going on for the day, every day, you'll start to see a pattern. Okay, when I stress out, when I'm feeling anxious, when I'm feeling worried, when I'm feeling nervous, it starts to show in my skin. But a lot of people don't tie that with their skin issues because they don't have an intimate relationship with their skin. They don't take time to understand their skin. They don't realize that their external environment is causing their skin issues. So if you are having issues with your skin, you're having flare-ups, you're having eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, all these are issues that start inside and reflects on the outside. So take some time to journal. Whether you are a member of my Skin Food Tribe and are using my products, even if you're not using my products, taking the time to understand your skin It's going to help you to realize what you need to feed your skin to keep your skin on a better path. So very simple. Have yourself a little journal and start writing, jotting down every day, you know, a few questions: water intake, your food intake, your stress level, and how your skin is acting. You can even go as far as writing if you're exercising. Some of us like to do the drastic weight loss program, so we detox our skin or go completely vegan or go completely raw. All those little things causes your skin to change and your skin to act up. Anything that you're using for the first time, sometimes your skin can be going through an adjustment period. If you're using medication, your skin can be going through an adjustment period because of your hormones. Of course, when it comes time to that time of the cycle, if you're going to menopause, all of that causes changes in your body, which reflects on your skin. So a lot of people, when they start flaring up, they go into a panic attack and, oh my gosh, I need to get to the dermatologist, or I need to get such and such products. No, take a few minutes and say, okay, what's been going on the last 24 to 48 hours, even 72 hours to know why my skin is acting up. For instance, let me give you an example. With me, I have trouble with dark circles around my eyes, and it comes and goes. And before, it used to be like, oh well, yeah, that's just how my face is. But no, I start to realize that if I have too much salt, which I love salt, and I know it's horrible, but then I'll find myself eating chips or some kind of junk food with salt on it, and I'm craving it more. I know there's a lack internal that's causing me to crave the salt, but sometimes I forget. You know how we are. We know what we're supposed to do and we don't do it. So I'm noticing the circles coming back around my eyes. I'm not drinking 72 ounces of water like I used to drink because I lost my water bottle. So I'm here walking around with these little water bottles, and I can never remember how many I drank for the day. So now I'm starting to notice I'm getting some dark circles around my eyes. So yes, I could use one of my expensive products to take the dark circles around my eyes, but my skin doesn't like shea butter, so I cannot use the scar butter. And yes, I could whip up a mix to put around my eyes, but if I know my trigger is external and it's as simple as drinking more water and decreasing my sodium, then I know what I need to do to fix my face. And this is where I want you guys to get to, where when your skin starts acting up, you know exactly what you need to do to fix that issue. For example, a lot of us get that one pimple every month to announce to the world that our cycle is on. Now, when we get that pimple, do we run out and buy expensive products, or do we say to ourselves, oh, that's because my period is coming? 9 times out of 10, we say to ourselves, oh yeah, my period is coming, and that's why I have that pimple. So we don't freak out. Now, do we like that big pimple announcing to the world what's going on? No. Is there something simple you can do to get rid of that pimple? Yes. You get an oil, some type of oil. It could be sweet almond, jojoba, avocado with tea tree. This is not tea tree, but tea tree essential oil. This is actually lavender, but get tea tree essential oil. So you take a few drops of oil. I think you can see it in my hand. And let's say this is tea tree. You put 1 drop of tea tree, you massage it, and you put it on that pimple. 1 or 2 days later, you'll see that pimple go away. But do you have to run to the dermatologist for that? No, because you know it's your cycle that's causing that pimple. So what I want you guys to take away today is take time to understand your skin. I know I drill on it a lot, and I still get customers that forget that, and sometimes I forget that myself. But take time to be intimate with your skin so you know what's going on with your skin and you know how to fix it naturally. It's not all about buying the most expensive products, because sometimes the most expensive products have the most expensive chemicals in them. So you can use natural things to get your skin to the way you want it to be. Give me a second, let me look at these questions real quick. Oh, wow. And I'm going to butcher this name, this word. I always butcher it, but I think it's kombucha. That is very cleansing. And because it's very cleansing, it can be causing your skin to flare up. It's actually cleaning inside of your system. So because it's cleaning inside of your system, it's detoxing your skin. So that's why you'll notice that every time you drink that your skin starts to react, and it's because it's cleaning out your internal system. So apparently your digestive system is very out of whack. So you need to get it to a place where it's healthier. And once it's healthier, when you do drink that, you will notice that your skin will not react. For me, I can't have that drink at all, because every time I drink that, it literally makes me sick. And that's because my insides, my digestive system is way off. I mean, completely off. Things that people can eat and drink that are healthy for you and are really good for you, my system doesn't like it. And I know I really need a good detox, but I can't drink stuff like that because it throws me off. So it's good that you have a relationship with your skin where you know that when you drink kombucha, that it flares up, it flares your skin. So that's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and look on Facebook and see what questions we have here. Thank you, Jennifer. Okay, so Jennifer wrote, she tends to get very dry and peely, flaky skin on her face, especially around her eyebrows. She exfoliates, she moisturizes, she uses toner, and after having her baby, it got worse. She's tried taking vitamins and everything. Water is always, water is something, but stress definitely could be a factor. Just wondering what she can do. And coconut oil helps tremendously, but makes my face very greasy. Okay, so Jennifer, regarding your question, number one, do you use hot water to take a shower? Hot water will cause the skin, will strips your skin of its natural oil. So if you're using hot water when you take a shower, that right there could be half of the reason why you're having such dry skin and flaky skin. And I'm telling you from experience, because when I use the rare times that I take a really hot shower, the next day I'm noticing that my skin is flaky and my skin is extremely dry. So my first question to you is, what is your water when you take a shower? Hi Jay. What type of water do you, okay, so you're always drinking water. That's good. Now, how is your shower temperature when you take a shower? What type of water are you using? Really hot, warm, or cold? Back to Instagram. Oh, the yeast in it too. Wow, now you got me thinking about how it reacts to me. That can be very possible. It's the yeast that's causing it to do that. Wow, I didn't think about that. Okay, yes, you're right, maybe. Okay, so you don't use hot water. Nothing hotter than 100 degrees. Okay, very good. So you just probably by nature have really dry skin. So you need to moisturize your skin. What type of toner are you using? And you said the coconut oil makes your face greasy. Just FYI, coconut oil can cause people's skin to be dry. So you may be using coconut oil and thinking that it's moisturizing your skin, and it actually could be the cause of your dryness. So definitely look into your coconut oil. Maybe stop using the coconut oil for 2 weeks and see how your face adjusts to maybe not using the coconut oil and using a hydrating moisturizer. So guys, I won't stay too long. I just really wanted to jump on and give you guys a few tips. Definitely, please, if you're having skin issues, you're always welcome to send me a DM. If you're on Instagram and if you're on Facebook, you can send me a PM. But with Facebook, I really prefer you to jump on my Facebook group and ask me questions there, because your one question can be a question that somebody else doesn't want to ask because they're shy or ashamed. But in my Facebook group, it's a perfect area. You can post pictures, You can ask me questions, and you can share your concerns. And these are for those that are on Facebook. If you're on Instagram, you're more than welcome to send me a DM at any time. I try to get to them within 24 to 48 hours and address your questions and your needs and your concerns. So I just wanted to share with you guys, the tip of the day is start journaling your skincare concerns and start journaling about your day to find a pattern regarding your skin. And once you find a pattern, we can address the root of your issue and start helping you to find a better regimen for your skincare needs. I am Tanada Joseph, your skin food therapist. Thank you for joining me today. I am going to put this on the replay so you that are joining me now can get a chance to watch the replay, okay? Thank you guys. Have a blessed and amazing day. Bye.